Hello, we're over here at Illinois, Taft's Magic Wand Company. He's a great guy. He got us started off with this. My wife and I were very new to the industry, but Taft is very patient, teaching us a lot, teaching us the ropes, how to get going, and what we need to do with the chemicals and the process of cleaning carpets and tile.
Nice.
This is our trailer. We went the trailer. We felt that we could add more things to it and kind of limit us not having to buy a van right off the bat. We did already have a family truck, so we used that to pull the trailer. AJ is her cousin. He helped us install this equipment, and this is our reel here for the vacuum hose, our water hose, and then we did the Escape electric, 800 psi. Great CFM suctions there, has 2 vacuums to it, works fantastic. We have the Rotovac, and we did the Brush Pro there, and then the Hydro Force for tile and grout. Put our solution line right here. Then we have a freshwater tank and our waste tank, our generator, and diesel heater, which is fantastic. That was the first thing that Taft taught me, was heat. Heat is the magic, and that's what we're finding out between the chemicals that we use that is all eco-friendly and the heat. It works fantastic. My wife Megan here, she's kind of the brains of it. She's learning more than I am about the chemistry of it. She's going to run the operation and just put it together.
Okay, great. Show us how this thing is kind of uniquely set up as far as all the electronics in it.
Absolutely. This is the electric box here. We have our toggle, so we can actually turn on the generator here, and then the lights and the fan throughout. This controls, turn on generator here, little push button turns
Nice.
the generator on there, and then turns it off as well.
Wow.
And then we have our rack for the wiring and our chemicals, things we need.
Wow. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing.
We appreciate it, Taft. If it wasn't for you and Magic Wand, we wouldn't be where we're at.
Thank you. Thank you.